As my previous mobile review did so well, I thought, why not give it another pixel on our channel? Presenting to you the best phone camera on the market for under £1,000. Some say it's the best phone, full stop. I'm not sure I could agree with that. Quick, seamless unboxing and initial impressions. So my friend bought this and gave it to me for the review, which I am very grateful for. I was hugely disappointed with the small box though. Is it just the big reviewers that get the awesome 3D pop-up box and case? Anyway, this is the right way to open it. Cloudy white? A rather splendid choice, my friend. Straight away it feels lighter than my S21 Ultra because it is by 17 grams. I like what I see so far. Bar on the back helps the phone stay steady on the desk, which is great, unlike most of the phones I know. So you know what's in the box, let's face it. How about we speed up this part? With any phones these days, there's 0% chance of handling them with gloves like mine, so off with the gloves. Weight distribution is good. It feels very premium up till now. Okay, hold on. The button press isn't the best. It was taking a while to start up, so here are some different angles of the phone for your pleasure. I feel the bar at the back provides a solid retention point, which means the phone is less likely to fall out of your hands. At least that's the way I feel, but Reddit users may disagree, which is most likely due to having smaller hands. I really don't like the white mohawk on the top though. It makes the phone look slightly on the cheaper side. The side buttons, OMG, what is that awful noise? There is a lot of visual noise on the screen when taking photos, which does not show up in the photo itself. It's worse in night mode and does take a moment to capture, but the picture quality is brilliant. To conclude, here are some reasons why you should and shouldn't consider this as your next upgrade. Reason number one why you should? Well, the juicy camera. Pixels have been known for the exceptional camera quality, and this phone is no exception. There are several reviews out there looking at different camera captures, including portraits, still shots, moving objects. I'm not going to dive too deep into that, but I'll put a few links in the description below to share what the camera is actually capable of doing and how it outperforms Apple 13 Pro Max and S21 Ultra in some comparisons. Price to performance. Now, everyone can agree this phone has a lot to offer for the price it's coming in the market at, £899, when compared to the likes of Apple around 1100 mark and Samsung S21 Ultra around 1200 mark. It's got a lot to offer for its price. It is let down a little bit by its build quality and the laggy software, which I'm sure can be fixed through the software updates that will be coming on later on in the year. By the way, for a longer battery life, here's a hack. Hit that subscribe button on our channel. It'll make your phone last twice as long. My reasons not to recommend this phone? Well, there's two that I've noticed with my initial impressions. One being the fingerprint sensor, which everyone's speaking about. It takes about half a second to register your fingerprints, which I think is a little bit too much for someone like me who uses a tempered glass protector, and I've never been able to get my fingerprints to work on it, so I use other security methods to protect my phone. If you use fingerprints, it's not going to do it. The second reason, which is one of my biggest annoyance with this phone, is the build quality. You had 2 buttons to put on there. Okay, you could call it 3 if you count the volume up and down button as 2, but what's that noise? Hey, listen to it again. Yeah, I wouldn't be too pleased with that. I mean, it is still a £900 phone. Being the only moving parts that you interact with, I mean, Google, what have you done? Maybe you should have researched it a little bit. I don't know, Googled it or something. What are your thoughts? Are you considering buying this phone? Is it something on your list, or have you already bought it? We'd love to hear from you. Till next time, over and out.